All right, we changed out trucks now. Now I have this Yale ERC 050VG truck. The electric trucks from Yale have a little bit different setup for their model number than the gas, diesel, and propane. So if you have an electric truck, we're going to help you decode your model number to find out what it means.
On electric trucks, they're also handled a little bit differently. So I have an example model number of a K85C 025G 36T 083. The K58C, that's just your model designation. It doesn't tell you anything more than that. 025 is a rated capacity. Same thing as with the other ones. Multiply by 100 to get your capacity, so this is a 2,500 pound lift. The G is your control type. So G is an SCR control, M would be like a contactor. The 36, that's going to be your voltage. So this one's a 36 volt electric lift. T, that's your mast. Same thing as before, T, triple stage. 083, mast height collapse in inches. Same as before.